Assalamu alaikum children. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and healthy at your home. Now, today we will discuss about other landforms of your first lesson, our country. In last session we discussed up to waterfall. Now I will start about delta. Let's see. What you are seeing here, children, it is a picture of delta. How can you define a delta? It is an area of land formed by soil deposit at the mouth of a river. Do you know which is the largest delta in the world? That now you are seeing here, Sundarban Delta. So this is the largest delta in the world itself. It is located at the mouth of rivers Ganga and Brahmaputra, near where they flow into Bay of Bengal. Similarly, here in our Andhra Pradesh, we are having fertile deltas formed by Godavari and Krishna rivers. Now let us see another landform. What you are seeing here, children? Yes, everyone, you know that it is an island. How can we define an island? An island, it is a landmass completely surrounded by water on all sides. Can you give examples of islands? Yes, here you are having the Lakshadweep Islands located in the Arabian Sea, that is to the west of India. And you are also having to our east side in the Bay of Bengal, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Let us see next landform. What you are seeing here, children? Yes, it is archipelago. How can we define this archipelago? Let us see. It is a group of islands clustered together. Means a group of islands are present at one place or near to each other. So this is called as archipelago. It means a group of islands. Next, see another landform. What you are seeing here? It is peninsula. How can we define peninsula? It is a large piece of land that is surrounded by water on its three sides, and at one side it is having land. For example, we are having southern part of our India itself is a better example of peninsula, which is surrounded by water on three sides and land mass on its northern side. Next, what you are seeing here, that is called as cape. What do you mean by cape? It is a pointed piece of land that sticks out into the sea. For example, we are having Cape Cameron in Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu. Next, you are seeing here isthmus. It is a narrow strip of land that connects two large land masses that are surrounded by water. Let us go for another landform, that is strait. A strait is a narrow passage of water that connects two large bodies of water. For example, we are having Pak Strait and between India and Pakistan. Next, we discuss about Kumbh Mela. What do you mean by Kumbh Mela? In Kumbh Mela, crores of people visit and take holy dip in the rivers during Kumbh Mela. It is one of the largest festival celebrated among Hindus. It is celebrated for every 3 years. People celebrate this festival by going on a pilgrimage in the hope of washing away their past sins. This Mela has the largest gathering as lakhs of devotees come from all over the country. Next, we also see about Pushkarams. What do you mean by Pushkara? It is an Indian festival dedicated to worshipping of rivers. It is celebrated along the banks of 12 major sacred rivers in India in the form of ancestor worship. We can call it as Pushkaralu in Telugu. We are having Krishna Pushkara, Godavari Pushkara, like that for 12 sacred rivers. We are having 12 Pushkaras. Okay, children, now we completed our first lesson, our country. Next, we go for our activity and workbook in the next sessions. Up to that, Allah Hafiz.